I will take them and I will club with prime number and I will teach you some new concept. No one will teach you this concept. I will teach you. Whenever you are representing any number plus or minus means they will give you one rough sheet like this. Before the exam starts, there will be some buffer time will be there. Okay, you have to be ready. This is my rough space. You remember the 18 methods for the multiplication I told you? I have used this even and odd concept in that. I want to take you close to your job and leave there. I'll make your life very easy. Now I will teach you how to calculate these things using Study with Youth Officer channel method. Don't blink. You will miss something. Why these even and odd numbers are behaving like this? Korean number 2. Hello winners, a warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today I welcome you to lecture 18. What did we discuss in the last lecture? Please remind me. It's the prime numbers, composite numbers and the prime factorization, right? Now today I'll just club this even and odd, even concept, odd concept and then some prime numbers. I will club these two and explain you, and then I will take them and I will club with prime number and I will teach you some new concept. How to think about it. No one will teach you this concept. I will teach you. Okay. What are the operations I am going to teach you? I will teach you additions. I'll teach you some multiplications. I'll teach you additions and multiplications in this prime. Okay. Whenever you are representing any number plus or minus means, or means this one or that one you can take. That means you can take this or you can take minus also. Any operation should give single result. Okay. Never forget this, plus or minus. That's how you read it. Plus or minus. This is the notation. Till now I did not teach you. Now I will use that notation. Okay. Now, even plus or minus even will give you even number or odd number, we should tell. Even plus or minus odd number, what will be the result? Odd plus or minus even. Odd plus or minus odd. These are 4 cases. Okay. In this multiplication, first case is even into even. Whether the result will be even or odd, we have to see. Second one, even into odd. Third one, odd into even. Okay. Fourth one is odd into odd. What can be the result? Now, what are the new concept with prime? I will take even plus or minus prime. What will be the result? Second one, I will take odd plus or minus prime. What will be the result? I'll give some gap to this. Third one, even if you multiply with the prime, whether it will give even, odd or prime number. always. Fourth one is odd into prime. What will be the end result? This is what we are supposed to see. Before I tell this, I'm going to explain this. Okay, before I explain that, I'll tell you a nice trick to you. Okay, in the exam hall, okay, they will give you one rough sheet like this, white sheet they will give you. Okay, if you take one sheet and start writing on this, you will keep this on the table and you cannot write properly on this. You need some support below. Okay, when they don't give you any books or anything or more papers also, they will not give, they will give only one paper. What you are supposed to do is, shall I tell you? I'll tell you what I do. I'll tell you. I'll just fold it like this. Okay, this is one fold, right? I'll put one more fold. Now this looks like a smaller version of the paper, right? Now I will take this paper and I'll start noting down all the square numbers, all the cubes up to 50. This side, okay, completely squares. I'll write it in small letters, and other side I'll start writing cubes. I'll write even A, B, C, D. For the logical reasoning, A to Z, A, B, C, D. I'll give numbers 1, 2, 3. How many letters are there? A to Z, 26. I'll give 26. Again, I'll write Z, Y, X from reverse till A. I'll give them 1, 2, 3 till 26. Because in logical reasoning, you need that. I will fill this paper with that. Before the exam starts, there will be some buffer time will be there. Okay, you have to be ready, because if you know that 576 24 is 576, you know. But what if they give you 676 root of 676? You should know 676 will come when 26 into 26 if you multiply. In the exam tension, if you forget, immediately I will check the paper. Oh, 676, 26. Answer is 26. These are the square roots. Later I'll explain you, but I'm telling you why. Okay, there will be a use. No time waste, no burden on the brain, no need to remember anything. Okay, I hope this trick will help you. Now, whatever examples I have taken, these may look very simple, but they are very powerful. I'll teach you why. Okay, now whenever you want to solve this kind of problems, you have to take two different examples. You have to think. I'm teaching you how to take examples, how to think differently. Okay, now first one. After this, shall I tell you even divisions also? I will tell divisions. I'll write here divisions. Okay, remind me, comment if I forget. Okay, I'll teach you divisions also. This is my rough space. Okay, first problem I'll take. Even numbers you have to add. You take 2 as an even number, you have to add 4. You add 6 to this. Okay, how much is the result? 8. 8 is even number. Two more you take. 4 plus some 8 you take. This is 12. This is also even number. That means result, even if you subtract, you take 6 minus 2. This is 4. You take 8 minus 4. This is also 4. That means both cases you are getting even number. You have to write it. Never forget it. Okay, this is the first example. Second example, even plus or minus odd. Even you take 2, odd you take 3. How much is this? 3 is the answer, right? One more even number, you take 8, and you take odd. Odd, how much you take? 7. If you add it, then it's 15. Both are odd number. This is also odd number. If you subtract 2 minus 1, 1 is, this is an odd number. If you subtract 8 minus 7, 1 is odd number. Okay, well, that means every time you are getting the result odd. Same happens even or odd, odd or even. I will still take this third one example. You want to add odd number and even number, right? 9. One more example, I'll take 5 plus some 12, 17. So these both are odd numbers. I'll subtract 6 minus 3, 3, 12 minus 5, because I'm taking minus now. 12 minus 5 is 7. Both are odd again. That means answer will be odd. Now I'll take the fourth one. Odd plus or minus odd. Odd means, tell me odd number 3 plus 5, 8. Some more odd numbers, 11 plus 13, 24. You got even number result. If you subtract 5 minus 3, 2, 13 minus 11, 13 minus 11, you get 2. Again you got even number. That means answer is even. I have taken 2 examples from each one and I have explained you how the answer will be. Okay. Now we will move into multiplications. Where are these multiplications? Here there are multiplications. This one is completed, right? Till here. Now we go to second part. These are multiplications. Even into even. First one. You take even number. One more even number is 4, right? 2 into 4 is 8. One more example we'll take. Some 6 into 8. 48. This is also even number. Answer is even. Okay. Second one we'll take. Even into odd. Take an even number 2. Odd number 3. Answer is 6. One more even number, some 6. Odd number is 7. Answer is 42. Both are even. That means answer is even number. Third one. Odd into even. Odd means 3 into even number, some 6. Answer is 18. One more odd number, 7 into even number you take 10. Answer is 70. So both even numbers. Okay. Fourth one we will take. Odd into odd. Tell me odd number 5 into 7. One more odd. This is 35. One more example you take 9 into 11. This is 99. See, you should be thorough with multiplication. Otherwise it will be very difficult to you. This is odd. That means answer is odd. This section also we have completed. Okay, you have to remember even plus or minus, every time it will become even only. Even plus or minus odd will become odd only. Odd plus or minus even will become odd only. Odd plus or minus odd will give you even number always. If you multiply even into even, the result will be even. Because why I am telling you this? You remember the 18 methods for the multiplication I told you? I have used this even and odd concept in that. Okay, I told you, right? By the time you complete your number systems, all the 18 methods will be familiar to you. Okay, I will teach you that because I don't want to take risk. I want to explain everything. I want to take you close to your job and leave there. Okay, you have to get one. You have to get one job. Okay, odd into even will give you even. Odd into odd will give you odd. So far so good, right? Now we will go to prime numbers. This one you might not have heard this concept before. I will teach you now. First example, even number. Tell me even number plus you take even number and prime number. Prime number I will take 2. Answer is 6. One more even number. One more prime number I will take 3. Answer is 7. 2 different answers came. That means we cannot say. We cannot say the answer. we cannot say definitely saying that either even or odd or prime. Always it should come. If it fails at one case also, it failed completely. Okay. Next one, second one. Odd plus or minus. Odd number is some 5 plus prime number is 2, 7. 5 plus one more prime number is 5 only I will take. No. One more prime number is 11 I will take. 16. Here there is odd, here there is even. So we cannot say again. We cannot say. Now third example. Third example is even number. Third example. Even number I will take some 4 into prime number 2, 8. Again even number I will take 6. One more prime number is some 5, 30. Both of them are even. That means when you multiply even with the prime, you will get even number. I will tell you why after this explanation. Okay. Now fourth example. Fourth example is odd. Take an odd number 3 into prime number is 2. One more odd number 5 into one more prime number 7, 35. See here there is a even number. Here there is a odd number. So again the case has failed. Here also we cannot say. Okay. Now before I say the trick to you, I will tell you divisions. If you put even by even, first of all, even by even, the results we will see. If you put even by even, 4 by 2, it will give 2, right? If you put 6 by 2, it will give 3. That means one time it's giving even, other time it is giving odd. So we cannot say even by even can be even or odd. We cannot say that. Second, if you put odd by even, some 3 by 2, they will never get cancelled. This will give rise to a fraction. Fractions will come. Not only this case, if you take even by odd also, some 2 by 3, this is also a fraction. If you take odd by odd, you got 5 here. One more odd number is 5 by 3. Here there is a fraction. So directly we can't say in divisions. Answer can be even or odd or fractions. It is giving different kind of answers. So that's why we don't take divisions and we cannot say division concept. That's why I have explained you additions or subtractions also I have explained you. Multiplications and even numbers, right? Now I will teach you not hard method, so much nonsense I am not going to take. I'll make your life very easy. How? Now I will teach you how to calculate these things using study with youth officer channel method. I'll teach you. Come. First one, don't blink. You will miss something. Look at carefully. Okay. First method. Just I want a even number. What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, right? What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on, right? Even plus even, I will take even number 0. One more even number 0 I will take again. Answer is 0. Number 2. Even plus odd. Even I will take 0, odd I will take 1, 1. odd. Third example. One more example, if you want to take 0, I'll take 1, next one I'll take 2. One more example, you want to take 0, I'll take, one more odd number is 3, I'll take 3. Either case you get odd number, either case you'll get even number. Third method, third one, odd plus even. Odd plus even. Odd, one more odd, plus even, 0. I'll never forget, I'll not leave this 0. Okay. You get 3. Odd, odd, odd answer. Fourth example, odd plus odd, 1 plus 1 gives rise to 2. Or next odd number is 3 plus 3, 6. I just take a simple, just the 0 will give everything. This will become very easy for you now. Even into even, 0 into 0, 0. 0 is even number, answer is even number. Second one, even into odd, 0 into 1, 0, even number. Third, odd into even number, 1 into 0, 0, even number. Fourth one, odd into odd, 1 into 1 is 1, is odd number. Done. Now, when it comes to prime number, I'll take first one. Even plus or minus prime. Even means 0 plus prime. There are two types of primes, even prime and odd prime. I will take even prime one time, odd prime other time. 1 plus 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3. Two different types of answers we can't say. Now odd plus prime, odd is 1, least odd number is 1, and prime number is least, I'll take always. This is 3, 1 plus least, next least is 3. Okay, 1 plus 3 is 4. Two different numbers came. No. Third one is even into prime. Even number is 0 into prime 2, I'll take prime 0. One more even, one more example is 3, I will take odd prime 0. That means even number. Fourth example, odd into prime, 1 into 2 will give you 2. Odd into odd prime, 3. Two different numbers, so we cannot say. See, when you take the least possible, and you can take repetition also again, that will save a lot of time. Like this. Happy? Now, happy? All happy, right? Now I will tell why these even and odd numbers are behaving like this. Why? Because of Korean number 2. 2 is the culprit. Why 2 is the culprit? Even numbers have 2 inside their genes. Inside their blood they have 2. If you multiply any number with 2, 3, you multiply odd number or even number, anything, it will become even number 6, 8. Okay. When you add two numbers, additions okay. Two even numbers or two odd numbers, whenever you two odd numbers or two even numbers will give you even numbers. Other cases you will get odd number. Okay. In multiplication, if you are multiplying one even number with either even number with odd number, or even number this side odd number, doesn't matter. Result will be even because they have 2 in them. After multiplying also 2 will be there in them. Once 2 is there in any number, that will be even number only, always. Odd into odd will be odd only, because they don't have 2 here, so answer also will not have 2 in multiplication. That's why it will be odd number. Why prime numbers are behaving like this? Because whenever you are adding even number, there are two kinds of prime numbers. One is even prime, other one is odd prime. That means if you are adding even with even prime, other one is even with odd prime. Even plus even will give you even number, even plus odd prime will give odd number. So two different kinds of number will come. That's why we cannot say. If you take odd number, odd can be added with either even prime or odd prime. If you add odd and even will give you odd. Next one is odd plus odd will give you even number. Two different kinds of results will come. That's why we cannot say this. If you take here fourth example, third one I'll explain you later. If you take fourth example, odd into prime, odd has no even number, right? Odd has no 2 in this. But there are two types of prime. One is even prime, other one is odd prime is there. Okay, that means odd into even will give you even number, odd into odd will give you odd number. There are two kinds of numbers. That's why in the fourth example we cannot say. But when it comes to even into prime, there are even prime is there, there is odd prime as well. That means even into even will give you even into odd also will give you even, because once even is introduced, it will be there in the genes, in the blood continuously. That's why answer will always be even. I hope you are comfortable with the magic that 2 does in the even number. They are very important because sometimes they will give big number, like very huge number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 4 plus 2, not 2, some 7, 6, 1, 9, 3, 2, 4, 9 numbers, right? 3, 6, 7, 8. They'll give like numbers like this, or and we will take 7. Here we will take some 9. They will give some numbers like this. They will ask you to add. They will give you options. If you sit and keep adding all these numbers, you will waste your time. And in the options, this is an odd number, this is an odd number. If you add two odd numbers, 1 plus 1, it will give to 2. That means even number. Doesn't matter the number is big odd number or small odd number. Everything behaves the same. So the result will be even number. You see the options. Whatever the even number is there, that will be the answer. No need to calculate these things. Examiner, whoever gives you the exam, they don't want you to calculate everything. They want you to work smart. That's why they will test you different ways in the exam paper. You have to be ready with that. Okay. I hope today lecture you might have enjoyed it. Okay. Thank you. Happy learning and have a nice day.